Good evening and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is February 21st, 2025. And it's a Friday, so it's the last trading day of this week. This week we did not have a 5 full trading day. We'd only have 4.5 trading day. The reason is Monday is the President Day in the US, so it's only have half trading day right there. But anyway, it's doesn't matter if 4.5 day or 5 day. It may have impact on the price action if we see. But anyway, this week, even though we don't have any economic news or data, but it very fluctuates because we have a new administration, new president in the U.S. So the first 3 months, or they say first 100 days, is where the new president sets the agenda. In this case, the economic agenda. So the markets move very volatile, especially related to tariffs, some implementation. So it's a huge impact right there. But anyway, that is the that is the economics review right there. All right, so we are in week 8 of the first quarter. So far, we already trade 8 week right there, passing pay by. Next week will be week 9 right there. And we are in here. We just close up this week today, and next week we're gonna go to the final weeks of February. So we're in quarter one already is 2/3 of that already passed, and we're gonna have a last month in the quarter one right there. And this week we did have a standard option expiration of it, so it's also a huge move for today. And for next week, we're looking for these two data, economic data, which is GDP data on 27, and then the BCA's data, which is the subset of the CPI data, released on the 28th, so which is Thursday. So looking for maybe a huge move on Thursday and Friday. All right, so let's go to the chart to see what lesson we learn, what pattern we learn. So let's do it now. So here the screenshot we take screenshot in the morning 8:18 Eastern time right there. So basically right here, at first it looked like it's reversed the yesterday, which is Thursday right there. But if we look carefully, you can see that we can see that actually the short right there, you see that test from above with level 1, 2, so it's gonna go and break that level 61.21. That the level that we mark right there is the key level right there. It tests from up twice, 1, 2, and also you look on the pattern right here. So basically you have expansion and then you have a candle after expansion right here. Watch for that level. So we see that it break the high of that level, test from above, no, test from below, break and reverse right away. And today it's just a follow up of 4 breakout right there. It's a beautiful setup. It tells us that it gives us the signal right there from yesterday, 2021 right there. And that is exactly happened. Okay. So here's the 15-minute time frame that we took at the same time, 18 right there, 2 minutes later. And look at the level 621 right here. You see that yesterday it broke the level, and look at this candle right here. It's exactly the level on the daily time frame. You see just how beautiful the algo run. It's very precisely. If we train our eye to see this, then we on our way become, successful trader right there. Multi-million trader right there. if we can see it. Right now we see in the hand size, but we get in there. Because when we look at here, we can see that the candle after expansion right here, even though it take out the liquidity right here, the low, which is the sell size, but it doesn't look like it does not look like the down move is finished. You see that? It does not look like at all. Yes, it does not look like at all. Alright, if you want this to be a reversal, you have to be test from below. Right, test from below. This one is test from above, and that's the reason why it can tell us that this reversal right here is not real. It's just a expansion, and right here it's just a retracement. It's not a reversal. Yes, it's just a retracement, and boom. Retracement and boom. The second leg down, which is what we have for today right here. You see that? It's just a first leg down, and here it's just a retracement. And retracement go into Go into consolidation, and then boom. Another expansion move down right there. That is ICT price delivery theory right there. Let's revisit that so we on the same page. Yeah, here's what we talking about, ICT price delivery model right here. So everything start with consolidation, and then from consolidation it's gonna go expansion, and then from expansion it's gonna either go to retracement or reversal right there, and then from reversal it go to consolidation again. So expansion can go into reversal, so either way. So you go from expansion, you go to retracement, or retrace, or it turns to reversal. That's all here. So the consolidation, and you would have the idea that a consolidation, expansion, and then consolidation. So basically, after expansion move, it will never go to consolidation. And we will never have, we might, I mean, we tested You have a reversal back to back. Basically, it need the liquidity. It will not go reverse and then reverse. So that's the idea. So look right here, we see that is the first leg down, which is expansion, and then it go into retracement right here. The whole move right here is just retracement, right, and then it go into consolidation and boom. So right here, you go to expansion, and then expansion go to retracement. Retracement go, in this case, go back to consolidation. It doesn't reverse. It did not reverse. Yeah, it's very it's very rare. We don't know, but let's say in today's we only see that expansion go to retracement go to consolidation, and then is expansion, which is a second leg down. We would like to see if there any case that it go to retracement, and then yeah, you can say either way, reversal, or how about right here it goes to expansion, right? So whether we consider that is expansion or reversal, that's another scenario that we need to figure out. But just keep things simple for now. So basically, you have a first leg down, and here is a retracement. The question for us is this a reversal? Well, in order to be considered reversal, you have to see that this level it tests from below. Yeah, it did test break and reverse right there. But for a more better a reversal, you don't want to see this test from above too big, too long right there, right? If that you want it to be clear the sales right here, otherwise it will be just a retracement and get ready for the second leg down. So that's the point we try to make really quick. And you see that similar like yesterday, right? Yesterday we say that, okay, 9:30 leg down, exactly like today, similar like today, right? Yesterday we had pattern called leg down at 9:30, and today the same. It just repeat itself, leg down at the 9:30, and today it even go better. You see, yesterday it just right here, and then it reversed retracement back, but today it continued to went down. And look at how exactly at 8:30, sorry, at 9:30, 10:30 stop right there, and it make a retracement, and then boom, it's it make a second leg down. We did took the trade, couple of trades today, and we learned a huge lesson. We have a big loss, but that's how we learn. All right, we don't treat loss as a loss by itself, but it's actually loss is a gain for us. So we can learn. Yeah, the only way we can learn is we have to have a different mindset. We cannot treat loss as something that bad that we try to avoid. No, we embrace the loss. That's it. Because the more we try to avoid the loss, the worse it becomes. So we have to switch our mindset. We embrace the loss, because the loss is a lesson learned. The loss is a stepping stone to help her to get closer to the success. So that's the mindset right there. All right, so with that in mind, we go into the daily. So here's what we look at the end, right? At the beginning, we look like this. We can see that the short setup are already in place, and then the end of the day it did confirm that it is a huge. Yeah, you see that it's so huge, and it closed at that level on the weekly right there. It's expansion move right there in the election right there, the week of election November last year, and now come back at that level. So we see lots of back and forth at this level. Let's see. Very interesting to see how the market gonna act around that level. What the number for that level? Yeah, the number for that level is 6040 on the weekly right there. Alright, so let's do a little bit deep dive on the okay, so right here, what do we see right here? Alright, let's do right here. Alright, here's what we have. Right, the first move we have is a expansion move, right? After expansion move, you always have the next one, which is a non-expansion. Right, it's a non-expansion. Or we have another name. We name is candle after expansion. Candle after expansion. Yes, that we name. But basically, the candle after expansion move can be two cases, right? In this case, it's the candle after expansion. We put the note right here because after expansion move, you have two scenarios. The first scenario is a non-expansion move, basically a rest, right? It just expansion and it rests. It try to build or you can say consolidation where try to accumulate more liquidity in order to make the next move, which is another expansion or gonna be a reversal. So look at this chart right here. We see most of the case after the expansion, most of the case is it have a non-expansion move. Right here you see expansion right here, and this the next candle is a non-expansion move. So we have to watch for that. It's very typical for price action to do that. And the second scenario we have is the expansion, and then it followed by another expansion. You see this expansion right here, another expansion, and another expansion, another expansion. So it's a huge move right there. In this case, so just quick review right there. After expansion move, we have two scenarios. The very first one, the most common one is a non-expansion move right there. And then The second scenario is a what? I follow through another expansion move, like this one, three there. Or you can have a third scenario. Yeah, we need to put the note right here. So basically, after expansion move, we have three scenarios right here. It's either gonna be a non-expansion, right? Expansion, which is you can call it doji, all right, or consolidation right there. Doji candle, for lack of the better word. And the second one, that's the more common one. And the second one is gonna be it's gonna be what? It's gonna be another expansion move. Okay, another expansion move. And the third scenario, we're just thinking about this scenario, is a reversal move. Right? Yes. So that's three scenarios we have. But for this week, we have the first. For this week, it fall into this scenario, which is after expansion move on last Friday, right? Expansion move. Then start on Monday. Monday we see a non-expansion move, because the Monday is only what? The Monday is let's put a note right here. So basically, Monday is its half day because of the present day. There's a half day right there. Okay, so then the Tuesday and Thursday. So the Tuesday and Wednesday, the Wednesday make the high of the week right there. And then the Thursday is just reversal, and Friday is just the follow-up. So that's the weekly profile for this week right there. That's how the algo run, how the algo build a query there. It's really flushed down for today. Yeah, so it's a perfect weekly profiles. So right here we have a liquidity build up. So basically we have Monday, Tuesday, let's say Monday, Tuesday, Thursday is like liquidity. Basically all three of them is test from. They have the same character, test from above right there. Basically a sell side liquidity engineer or build up. Build up or engineer, for like a better word. So basically here's the weekly profile we have right there. And by the way, so basically we have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It's just test from above, which is sell-side liquidity build up right there, or sell-side liquidity engineer, or sell-side liquidity trap, for lack of a better word right there. And then you have Thursday, which is reversal. Noted that the high of the week is made on Wednesday. And Friday is just a follow through day, which is the next leg down right there. And by the way, if you look in terms of the model we have, we can see that this is a type 2 reversal right there. If you mark the high of the Monday, so basically it's all the of this level. See that this level right here, it basically test from above, break and reverse. It's type 2 reversal right here. That's the beautiful setup right here. It's for breakout. I do not determine for breakout reversal type 2 right here. Yeah, that's just right there. So basically here we put all together right there. So we identify right there the reversal type 2, and let's look what is the reversal type 2 we're talking about right here. Or here's how we identify the reversal model. Basically have two types, type 1, and then here's the type 2. The type 1 is on the top and type 2 is on the bottom. On the left side is the long setup, and on the right side is the short setup. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Alright, we're able to make it zoom in analysis. So the first one is the reversal type 1. Basically the level right there is, I think we forgot to draw that level, but the key level right there, just right here, the low right there. So it's break test from below, right? Test from below, and then it reverse. Yeah, here we have a better version right here. So one for short, one for long right there. And on the right side is type 1 and on the left side type 2s. So basically on the type 1 right here we have a level for a long right here, we have a level right there, breaks test from below and reverse. For the short setup it's going to be test from above, break, test from above and reverse. For the type 2 it's going to be test first, break and reverse. That the short setup. For long setup similar, test first, break and reverse. That means we go back to this, we see that the level right here, we highlight the level of this expansion move right here, which is big level right there, 61.48 right there. It's coincident, it's very close to the Monday high also, which is a non-expansion move right there. Yeah, a non-expansion move. So basically we would aim at that level 60.48 or the low of the Monday right there. What's the low of Monday anyway? The low of Monday, no, actually the high of Monday. Yeah, 46.61, 46.75, so just one and quarter below that. So go back to our chart right here. So we see the setup is reversal type 1 right there. Basically test, break, and then reverse. So look that right here, that's what. And it's more interesting that if the break give the idea that a long wick below, which is test from above, then likely it's gonna go into the reversal very soon. You see that? It tests from above right there. I mean, look at that. It gives us a signal right there. If it a solid candle close, then it may not reverse right away, but it's a very test from above right there. So that's the reversal type one we're talking about. And how it manifests itself on the 15 minutes right here. And at the end of the day, it happened exactly in reverse. That's how it happened. Manifest itself on a 15 minutes timestamp right here. So the lesson here we learned for today is just follow the setup, follow the weekly profile. Will give us a very high quality setup for us right there. Let's take some of the trade we took for today, and for today we only took the trade on the mobile device, so we don't have the recording. So let's take take a look at some of the screenshot we have. All right, here's the first trade we took. So we entered around 9:50, so it's 10 minutes into the 9:30. And we saw the setup right here. We see that it broke down level 21. Look on the daily time frame, we see the opportunity right there. So that's the reason why we go in and short. So right here, so yes, the level 21 right here, 61.21. That means it broke the level. That means that it's gonna come down at least to the low of this candle right there, the yesterday, Thursday. So perfect. We go in, go long, and we did add contract in here also, but we kind of nervous, so we take out profit early. We let only one contract. And it hit that level 61.08 right there. You see that 61.11 right here. It's go all the way 05 right there. So it's a 15-minute move right here. It will leave off all full contract, 11 contract. We will have around 8,000 profit right there. But for some reason we that's the lesson we learned right there. Just stick with the plan right there. As soon as you reach on the time frame level, on the high time frame, then let go with that conviction right there. So that's the first trade we take. All right, here's trade number 2 we take. So we take trade number 2 around 10:45 candle storm for a year. So we anticipate a reversal right here, because we see this candle at 10:30. There's no test from above, so we thought that it's gonna be a reversal. This is a very novice idea. We haven't seen that idea before. It's just gonna try out. So if we try out, and the idea that we want to catch the momentum right here, we say this heavy down move, it will explode here a little bit, right? It's gonna be retracement right here. So we're going to catch the momentum. So we have to be quick. That's the whole idea. So we engage right away, and then we take the profits right away. You see that we take profits. So right here is about 700. Then we take profit right away, about 500 right there. So we take profit right away, and then we let one contract run until 3 more minutes, right? We go in at 46, so we get out about 4 minutes. So quick profit, perfect, right? We get 1,200. That's perfect for a day. But something happened. So let's see what the next trade we're gonna take. All right, here's trade number 3 that we took. We make a deadly mistake when we took trade number 3. So basically, we are good right here. We should call it a day for today because on a sell-off day, go long is very, very dangerous right there. Because it's just a retracement and it's gonna be a neck leg down. So it's very low risk right there. A very high risk to take a counter move. We already get good right on a trade number 2. We get a counter move right here with quick profit, perfect. But we a little bit greedy right here. We try again, try to go long and remember the first trade we took. The second trade we took is we exit about 50. 10:50 and then 7 minutes later we engage the same right here, the same candle. We try to go long. We thought, all right, maybe break and test from above, so it can reverse. So we go in with one contract. Then when this guy explodes right here, we go in with, oh wow, so it can reverse from here because you see that it break and then it reverse, so it's gonna be explosive, go back, it's gonna reverse from here. That's the mistake because we there's no setup right here, right? Reversal, you want to see what test from above, but we want to see any level right here, break and reverse. That's type 2 right there, but it's not there yet. And remember, keep in mind right here is the huge down move right here. It's not gonna reverse right away. But anyway, we make mistake. We change right here, we add more contract right here, right? We're going, if we want to test just one contract, okay, but we greedy right here, we add, and as soon we add, it go back and reverse back right away, and then we take a loss of 3,000. So basically, we get back out again right there and take another loss right there. So that's the huge mistake we make right there. And then we make another, other mistake, but we run out of time for now. Let's conclude this recording for now. So we only craving for the opportunity. Thank you for your time and interest. We do what we love, then success coming our way, day by day, little by little, and in every way we're getting better and better. Great. Have a great evening, and see you next week. Bye for now.